Ohio. It should say welcome to Ohio. It says Ohio. Find it here.
Oh, I'm totally lost already.
I'm thinking we gotta take a right. Hey Google, motorcycle dealership near me.
I found a few motorcycle dealerships near you.
Harmon Honda. All right, let's go. Kawasaki too.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Here we go.
Your destination is on the right.
Let's see what they got. Maybe they got some Fireblade, Honda Fireblade. I heard that bike's small though. Hello. Gotta have a mask, no problem. Some places make you do it. We're in Ohio. I don't know their laws here. Last time I was in Kentucky. Might be more strict than Ohio. Wow, that thing is huge. Please look, but don't touch. Trike. Honda Rolls Royce. No. Woo, 36,000, huh? It lists for 45,000?
45.
Wow. So I wasn't far off when I called it a Honda Rolls Royce.
It's got an automatic transmission, got reverse, got a radio, push button trunk, push button.
Yeah, that's a nice trike. Call it a trike, right?
Yeah.
3 wheels and then 2. Yeah, 3 wheels,
Yeah,
2 in the
we
back.
built it ourselves.
You guys built it?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Sport bikes? Yeah, you do have. All right. I'm gonna.
That's your car.
Huh?
That's your car.
I'm more into sport bikes myself. 5,500 for a BMW 800cc. Looks like sport touring. Huh. F800 GT. I didn't even know about those. Oh wow, they got kids bikes. Get Joshua started. Hi. Oh no, you guys are all right. 1,724.
Dad, look at this one.
Off-road dirt bike with training wheels. Neat. Honda Monkey. $3,985. Little thing. I've heard people talk about these Honda Monkeys. $10,000 Honda Chopper. Handlebars look pretty cool though. Shadow. I think my dad had a Honda Shadow. I remember riding on it and like my legs are bleeding when it rained. And I had shorts on. The rain was like, oh, CBR. $10,000. CBR what? Look at that, it's clean. Tiny little dash, reading 10,345. CB1000R. And that would be the 650. How much is that? 8,583. $1,000 more, you get a 1,000cc. Seems like a no-brainer to me. Can I sit on the Honda?
We're trying to keep people from sitting on.
Oh, okay, okay. What year is that?
That's 20.
20? 600?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, sir. Yes, sir, thank you. Oh, there's a Honda dealership close by. How you gonna buy a bike if you can't sit on it? I thought it was weird when you can't test drive bikes before buying them, but you can't even sit on them and feel the position. Okay. Boost is still #1 on the list. To be fair and honest, I really don't see myself buying the Honda anyway. Okay, so I bought the Busa without test riding it, but I at least sat on it. I don't know how anyone would buy a bike without sitting on it. Maybe you have to show more interest and be more of a sure thing customer. I don't know. It's not like I was asking questions and being real intuitive about buying it, so yeah, I guess I can understand them saying that, like, they'd rather not have people sit on them. I think there's a Kawasaki dealership in this area too, but we'll save that for later because I'm hungry and I'm ready to go home.